Good evening, Southeast Texas and Southwest Louisiana. I'm meteorologist Lucas Bostwick. We're taking a look at radar over the past 2 hours, and we can see that there's been quite a few showers and thunderstorms all across the region, but we do expect for these showers and storms to eventually start to quiet down. However, it might be a little while before that happens. We'll just have to wait and see. It might be continuing on a little bit after sunset. Current temperatures, though, are running in the upper 80s to around 90 in some places, but many areas are also in the upper 70s where rain is falling, so that's some welcome relief if you're looking for some cooler temperatures. Satellite radar over the past 3 hours shows that we've had quite a few showers and storms all across Southeast Texas and Southwest Louisiana for today. So if you didn't get any rain yet, there's still a chance you might get some before things really start to quiet down. Now overnight, we do expect not much to develop. There could be a few showers potentially that develop overnight, but right now we're not expecting the main event to be overnight by any means. However, as we get into the daytime, especially towards noon, we expect numerous showers and storms to really begin to develop. This is at 12 o'clock, and we can see that most of the coastline in particular is having lots of showers and storms. And as we can see even further north, there's quite a few showers and storms. And as we get into the rest of the afternoon, we continue to see these showers and storms go on until about sunset, and then things should finally start to quiet down. So if you're needing some rain, just hold on. We got another good chance of rain for tomorrow. It's looking like it's going to be a bit more promising, hopefully, than today. It was pretty scattered today, and so hopefully tomorrow we'll get a bit more widespread coverage if you needed that rain and you keep missing. But tropical satellite shows that we have two areas of we're watching, well, really just one, but honestly, even this other system down there, tropical wave number 2, we're not expecting it to really do anything of significance for a while just because it's going to encounter a lot of unfavorable conditions down the road. So that's some good news for the Gulf. However, it still has a ways to go, and it could end up potentially to the Caribbean later on. And so we'll see where it's going to be tracking. But this other first wave is definitely going to be going out to sea, kind of following Aaron there as we see Aaron is moving out to sea at the moment. So good. A lot of good news as far as the tropics are concerned for lately. But we still have to get through the whole month of September. And potentially early October. Remember, we had Delta in early October of 2020. So there's still a chance we could still have something. But at least now we're getting to almost the beginning of September by saying that we haven't had anything in the Gulf yet. So that's some good news. The development chances for all these systems, 80% for the first one going out to sea, 50% for the one if it can develop right before it starts to encounter those unfavorable conditions. And then another area further north that really we aren't concerned about at all. It's just a nothing to be concerned of issue. It's 20% for them at way out to sea to the north. Atmospheric moisture, though, appears to be very good amounts for tomorrow. And then as we get into Saturday, we still have a little bit left over, so there should be enough to call for a 40% chance in Southeast Texas and 30% in Southwest Louisiana. But then it starts to rapidly dry out, so we should have much lower rain chances with those greens and oranges starting to move in. And then Monday also looks like it'll be pretty dry as well, but then the moisture should start to return on Tuesday going forward. Especially by Wednesday, you see that moisture really starts to come back up. So we should see a return of showers and thunderstorms beginning towards the middle of next week. Lows tonight, though, are going to be in the low to mid 70s in general, around 80 at the beach. And then tomorrow, we should have highs in the upper 80s in some cases and around 90. So pretty good for tomorrow as far as compared to our normal high being 93. Now, our 7-day outlook shows that we do have a 70% chance of rain for tomorrow, and then 40% on Saturday, 10% on Sunday, then 0 on Monday. Then those chances start to come back up. And the same for Southwest Louisiana, although your chance of rain Saturday is a little bit lower. And then no chance of rain Sunday and Monday. And then those chances of rain do start to come back up starting Tuesday. So we'll see just how much they come up beginning next week. But for now, it's looking like tomorrow should be a decent chance of rain. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/@GulfCoastWX. And a shout out to our sponsor, Do Good Federal Credit Union, and to all of our other sponsors for making this video possible. All right, well, everyone have a good night.